Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I make this delicious akara recipe. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and click on the red subscribe button down below. Afterwards you click on the bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. So here are some ingredients that we'll be needing for this recipe. We're going to be needing some black eye beans. We're also going to be needing some smoked shrimp, crayfish, onion, habanero peppers, red bell pepper, bouillon powder, and some oil. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to peel the skin of my beans. So I'm going to be adding in some water and I'm going to soak the beans for about a minute. You don't need to soak it for too long. A minute is perfect. So when I'm done soaking the beans, I'm going to transfer it into my blender. Then I'm going to add in some running water. So you guys have to let the water be above the beans so that it can, separate the beans easily. So at this point you're just going to blend and stop. Don't blend it continuously, okay, because you don't want it to be smooth. So I'll have a detailed video on how you can peel your beans in the description box down below. So now the beans is well blended, so I'm going to start off by rinsing the beans. So at this point I'll be using my strainer. So I'll rinse the beans for about 4 to 5 minutes until there are no more beans shaft. So do this about 4 to 5 minutes, rinse with a clean water, then you're going to strain it into your strainer so it will separate the shaft. So like I said, I have a detailed video on how you can peel your beans or how you can wash your beans, super easy. I'll leave it in the description box down below. So the beans is nice and clean now, so I'll start off now by blending the beans. So now I'm going to add in the clean beans into my blender, and I'm going to be adding some red bell pepper, some habanero peppers, and some onion, crayfish powder. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of water. You don't need to add too much water at this point because the onion also contains some water. So I'm going to blend this until it's nice and very smooth. So when I'm done blending the beans, I'm going to transfer it into a clean bowl. Then I'm going to be adding some smoked shrimp. Then I'm going to add some chopped onion, salt, and some bouillon powder. Then I'm going to continuously stir this for some minutes, about a minute or two. So you don't want it to be too thick when you're frying. So at this point, make sure you taste for your salt and your seasoning cube to adjust to your taste. So continuously stirring this and to loosen up the batter a bit. So now that I'm done, I'm going to add in my oil into my pan. And I'll be adding some fresh rosemary. I just love the aroma of the rosemary. It's optional, but you can try it. So I'll be adding the beans batter into the hot oil. So here I'm going to allow this to fry nicely and golden brown at the other side. So when it's nice and golden brown, I'm going to flip it to the to the other side for it to fry some more. So in here I'm just throwing in some chopped habanero pepper just for additional spice and some color. So you can choose to do this, it's totally up to you. So now that the akara is nice and golden brown, so I'm going to flip it to the other side so it cook through. So make sure your stove is on a medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot because it's gonna get burnt. You don't want to get burnt, so make sure it's on a medium heat. Don't put it on the low, and you don't want it to absorb oil as well. So when they're nice and golden brown, when they're nice and it's cooked through, so in here I'm just going to take it out from the hot oil, and I'm going to repeat the process one more time. So repeat this process until you're done frying the whole of your beans batter. So here we have it, guys, our nice homemade akara recipe. So thank you all so much for coming. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. If you've not subscribed yet, please click on the red subscribe button down below that says subscribe, and click on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you all so much. Bye.